Do you want to make a YouTube intro video but don't spend probably more than, I don't know, $8 for it? Well, today I'm going to show you this really cool software that I used for my own YouTube intro. So if you're looking for a cheaper option but with a professional look, this video is for you. Okay, so the software I'm going to show you is Videobolt. I kind of found it just kind of Google searching because I wanted to make my own YouTube intro. I just figured there'd be some kind of solution out there for it versus going on to like Fiverr, for instance, or asking someone to make it just because, not because I don't want to pay. It's just like if I can find something cheaper. I mean, right now it's not a good time to spending a lot. So I was happy to find a Videobolt. So here I'm on the website, and I kind of just want to show you what it would look like to log in. So I have an account, so I'm already registered, but for you, you just type in videobolt.net. You'll come to the homepage, and then you're able to register. And I just use Google because it's just easy. So you can choose Google, or you can fill it out, first name, create a username, email, password, just basically like any other thing you would probably sign into. So I've already made an account, and it's pretty easy. What's cool is that aside from making your intros, they do have other video features. So let me just scroll down here and just kind of play one of them for you. So they'll bring up a teaser just to kind of show what it looks like. So have a look at this. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. I should have probably done that one. So what you do is you choose one of these templates that you want to work with. These are some of the new ones, and I might want to update. These are looking pretty cool. Pretty simple, pretty quick. And for your YouTube intro, you really just want something quick, show your logo. I mean, like, if you have the budget, go ahead, make that great, huge, cool, blockbuster YouTube intro. But if you're like me looking for a deal, but something cool, then this works out. So what happens is, so these are the templates that I worked with. So when you choose one of the templates, and let's say you go with this one, you click edit, and you are limited to what you can change. But, I mean, if you want it to work how it looks, which is awesome, then you really don't want to change much. So when you get into the editor, you're able to change your logo. So you can upload a logo here. And because I was trying, and I've done stuff with my own video, I have stuff here. If you want to upload, you hit upload file. You go to your files and, you bring them in. So let's just go with one of these logos. Any one of them should do. And so it puts the logo in. It doesn't directly show you right here because it has to render. In the meantime, we can change the text. So I can change this to... So in the meantime, you are able to change the text. So I'm going to change this to software user guide, of course, .com. Should put like YouTube or something. So I'm just going to give it some time to render. Okay, so it kind of shows you a preview of what it's going to look like. It's put my logo here. It's put the text that we've added right there. And on the left, there isn't much you can really do. Oh, it shows you. So it shows you, it puts my logo here. It puts the words that we added here. And that's really all you're going to get in terms of like adding stuff to this template. I'm sure other templates will let you do other things. But just to show you this, just to show you the basics, I'm just kind of showing you what this template offers. If you hit themes, sometimes, and depending on the template, you're able to change the color so it matches even more your logo. So because I'm more blue, I think I'll just stick to what we have. If you're more on a yellow scheme, a green, a red, you're able to change it up so the color matches what you want. When you hit customize, you're able to change the logo color. I don't know why you'd want to do that. You just kind of stick to the colors of your logo. You can change the tagline logo. The tagline copy color, which makes sense, so that it can match more your color scheme. And then in elements, I think it's all the stuff going on in the background. You're able to change those colors up too. So really get creative. Maybe I don't want it to be red anymore. Make it more me. Change this one. Let's make this. Make it yellow. Let's go crazy. So you notice that every time I make a change, it's rendering. That's where it's, doing all the work and making it into what I want it to be at the end of the day. So versions will show you different renders. So, if you in here a couple of times, you're not so happy with stuff and you keep rendering, you're going to see more versions in this tab. History shows you the different changes that you've made. It's a good way to keep track of the things that you're doing. And this is the help section. So if you have issues, this is where you're going to go. You can change the name of your project here. So, software user guide, intro. I can't spell. Intro. And then when you're done and you think you have something you want to work with, let's see here. So it's not going to show you the new render until you produce the video. So we're going to hit produce video. Let's just call this again software user guide intro. And here, if you haven't done these things, they'll be red and they'll tell you that you need to add or change or add a custom or something. So even before you produce something, because rendering takes a little bit more time, they're kind of getting you to do what you need to do so that your final product will be what you want. So we're going to hit produce. And this is going to take some time to render. So I'm just going to not let you have to wait for this. And I'll cut and I'll be back. So we're back and it's rendered. Didn't take long. Took about I want to say probably 3 to 5 minutes. And then I had a final product. So this is what it looks like. Won't be so clear because Watermark is on top, but here we go. Yeah, look at that. That's looking pretty cool. So your next step, and yeah, I told you, you would have to pay, but it won't be a lot. So to remove the watermark, we hit remove watermark because that's the only way to get the video without that huge thing over the top. They lead you to pricing. So what you want to do is, you don't want to sign up for this forever. You just want the video once. So we're going to hit monthly. And here you'll see the plan, the first plan, the basic plan gives you 1 video per month. So because you're just doing this to get your YouTube intro video, you just need to subscribe 1 time. So you hit subscribe, it carries you to pay. And then you pay. So you're going to pay $8 for this. You put your credit card info, blah, blah. You pay, and then the watermark comes off. And then you have the video to download. So I'm not going to go through this. This was just to show you how you get the video done. But at the end of the day, what you end up with is what I had with my video. So if you watch my YouTube intro, this is where I got it. It comes out exactly how it is. You get the video file. And I mean, for $8, it looks pretty cool. So I'd say, look into Videobolt. So I'm just going to close it. Yeah, I'm going to close it. So look into Videobolt if this is what you want. And of course, there are other things you can do here. Product promos are here too. You might be able to use it for your Instagram, even ads maybe. You're able to create, professional looking videos at a really low cost. If you plan to do more videos, obviously the one-time video of $8 won't work for you. But at least I've introduced you to something that you can do on your own time, make something awesome, and it won't cost you too much. if you're making that one video. So I hope you learned something today. This is a quick one. I just wanted to share this with you. As usual, I'm going to ask you, please, if you love this content, subscribe. It encourages me to keep going, your likes, your comments, and there's more videos to come. And of course, I can't end without saying, thanks for watching.